Welcome to this video on deploying Printix client to a remote computer. This video will guide you through the essential steps to add computers on remote networks to Printix, manage networks, and migrate existing printer queues. To effectively manage printers on remote networks, including different subnets and VLANs, we need to deploy the Printix client on at least one computer initially. This is the first step in ensuring that all printers are discoverable and manageable through Printix. In my environment, I have this computer signed into an unknown network to Printix. It is connected to a TCP/IP printer with a configured print queue. I have already installed the Printix client on this computer, but have not logged into Printix. Let's navigate to the Computers view in Printix Administrator. Here we can see a list of all the current computers with Printix client installed. This computer is not yet registered with Printix. If I sign into Printix using my credentials now, this computer will be added. Once added, you can see that it is online and currently connected to an unknown network. Any print queues on a computer that is on an unknown network will not register in Printix. Let's now make this unknown network known to Printix. To do this, I will navigate to the Computer Properties and select Create a New Network. Printix works with unique IP thumbprints taken from the standard gateway IP address, together with its MAC address. I will call this network Guest Wi-Fi. This name can be changed at any time. This computer has now been used to make this entire subnet known as Guest Wi-Fi. If I now navigate to the Networks view, you will see the two networks listed, each with its own unique gateway. Now that we have configured the network, let's navigate to the Printers view and discover printers on this new network. Here, I will select to discover printers on the Guest Wi-Fi. This sends a command to the Printix client service on my computer, and it is going to perform an SNMP broadcast. Remember, my computer already has a printer queue configured, and this will be added to Printix. Upon completing the computer discovery, one printer is found, displaying its vendor and model number. It is connected to the Guest Wi-Fi network, and its IP address is shown. If I now open the one printer queue, you can see that it has also been added to Printix. The default migration policy in Printix is to automatically convert the TCP/IP printer queue to a managed Printix printer queue. To confirm that this printer queue is now managed by Printix, I can navigate to the Computer view, select this computer's properties, and open the Print Queues tab. In addition to the automatically installed Print Anywhere queue, I see that this printer is also managed by Printix. If the migration policy had been changed from the default to Not Convert Print Queue, Printix would still recognize the print queue on my computer, but would not have converted it on this computer to be managed by Printix. Let's now navigate to the Printer Queue view and configure our new printer queue to install automatically on other computers that have the Printix client installed and that are on the Guest Wi-Fi. Now you have added computers on remote networks to Printix, managed networks, and migrated existing printer queues.